Imagine a motorhome that is more than just a vehicle. It is a rolling luxury palace designed for people who expect the very best. Introducing the 2027 BMW Motorhome Concept, a futuristic, ultra-luxurious RV imagined for elite travelers, high-net-worth individuals, and anyone who loves experiencing life at the highest level. Keep in mind, this is a concept and digital visualization, not an officially announced BMW production motorhome. Starting with the front, the design immediately grabs attention. The massive, aggressive front fascia looks inspired by a high-performance luxury vehicle featuring a huge black grille, a sculpted body, premium gold and bronze finishes, and powerful LED beam headlights. The front structure has a strong, rigid appearance, while the aerodynamic shape gives this enormous motorhome a surprisingly sporty and futuristic character. Performance is another major part of this concept. The imagined powertrain is designed around high power and high RPM performance, giving this massive vehicle the strength needed for confident highway cruising and strong acceleration. The goal is to combine the presence of a heavy-duty motorhome with the driving character of a high-performance luxury machine. The wheels are equally impressive. Instead of ordinary camper tires, this concept features massive, ultra-luxury heavy-duty tires paired with oversized premium rims. The large wheels give the motorhome a powerful stance while supporting the visual impression of strength, stability, and long-distance capability. Safety and protection are also imagined at an elite level. The concept can feature a reinforced rigid body structure, advanced driver assistance technology, and bullet-resistant glass for an additional layer of protection. However, these security features are part of the concept visualization and should not be considered official BMW specifications. Inside, the 2027 BMW Motorhome Concept is imagined as a private luxury residence on wheels. Picture premium lounge seating, smart controls, massive displays, ambient lighting, a high-end entertainment system, a private bedroom, a luxury bathroom, and sophisticated living areas designed for maximum comfort. Overall, the 2027 BMW Motorhome Concept represents the ultimate dream of luxury travel with its massive proportions, high-power performance concept, oversized luxury tires, premium rims, rigid body design, dramatic LED lighting, advanced protection, and first-class interior. This motorhome is designed for people who don't simply want to travel, they want to experience every mile in complete luxury. It is not just a motorhome. It is a statement of wealth, technology, comfort, and futuristic luxury on wheels.